This is how you make one-pot chicken rice using your rice cooker. Absolutely perfect for people who have rice cookers, of course. This one-pot poultry dish is delicious and very easy to make. Oh, and there are less dishes to do. How about that? So, assuming you have a rice cooker, let's get started. To make this dish, you'll need some chicken thighs cut into bite-sized chunks, like this. And to the thighs, add a wee bit of cornstarch and give it a wee bit of a mixy. Next, I'm going to add garlic and ginger, followed by some sake and mirin. Now it's time to add olive oil, soy sauce, and sugar. Followed by a dash of Shaoxing wine, if that's how you pronounce it. Then give it all a good mix, make sure that everything's incorporated. And if you do want to improve that flavour profile, and you have your favourite seasoning on hand, now's a good time to add it. Give it one final mixy for good luck, then set it aside to marinate for about 20 minutes. Alright, this is my rice cooker. It contains 3 cups of short grain rice that's washed and filled up to the appropriate level with water. Place the chicken in like so, and if you feel like it, add a sausage because everybody loves a sausage. I'm in a bit of a hurry, so I'm going for the super fast function that takes 15 minutes. And in 15 minutes, it looks like this. Terrific! So if you haven't got a rice cooker, get one, okay? And to finish it off, I'm going to add some roughly chopped green onion and give it a final mixy. That's it, we are done. And there it is, it looks very comforting and hearty. Let's see how it tastes. Fluffy and flavorful, delissimo. Now for a bit of chicken. Extremely tender and juicy. I think I'll have one more. Yep, this one-pot chicken rice is definitely a winner. Try it if you have a rice cooker.